My name is Syreta Toson, and I am a NLA 2025 graduate. I'm also the executive director of A Home for Her, which is a new nonprofit organization geared to help women. When I first came to NLA, I was new to the role of executive director, and I didn't feel as though was coming with the skill set to be able to really hit it out of the park. When I got to NLA, I knew that I was more equipped for my job. I learned about outreach opportunities. I learned about fundraising. I was also able to learn more about boards and how to be a good director to my board of directors. So it was really an awesome experience. And I would recommend hands down to anybody who's interested in becoming a leader, honing their skills, changing their community, and through the ripple effect, the world.